I get the drop like a band. Yeah, give me the bands. Give me the bands. Give me the motherfucking guap. I got the Glock. Caught the game motherfucking dance. I'm in the party with WAP. It's the WAP. I get the motherfucking end.
Hello, so today we're back with another video and it's gonna be a haul because I feel like last time a lot of people liked the hauls, and so today I decided to do another one because I'm gonna move to London soon and I needed winter clothing, so I went on Taobao and like splurged a ton of money again on winter clothes and like fall clothing. And today is gonna be like buying my fall wardrobe, like fall dream wardrobe, and I don't know, but I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I got. And yeah, the first thing that I got, okay, is one of my favorites. It's like this sweater. Also, everything's gonna be linked down below, and the sizes are all in XS's, the smallest size possible that is offered for each item. And this is the first one. This thing is so cute. Oh my god, look at it. Like, the amount of times I'm gonna say cute in this video is gonna be problematic, but it's okay. I got a lot of like these knit sweaters because I feel like it's super cute, and it like you can wear it with like a tank top inside, so I don't have to buy like winter clothes over my summer clothes, so I could just wear them together and you can like mix and match. Just super cute, and it like reminds me of like Moya Mawini, you know, like her vibes, like the whole like leave aesthetic girl. I don't know. But going off the sweaters, here's another one that I got. It's like an argyle, I don't know how to say it, but it's the same thing, and you get to like button it up. I feel like this type of sweaters would look so cute with like a black skirt, like a fitted skirt, or like, and like a white tank top inside or something like that. I don't know. And like, you know, those Doc Martens shoes. Yeah, I also got that. So these are some fall trends. The next one is a sweater vest, and if you've ever like watched Big Bang Theory, like I feel like the more you dress like Amy, the more you are like stylish right now. But this is what I've been seeing on Pinterest lately. You can see these in like Brandy Melville. You can either wear it like just like this or something with like a collar, like it could be short sleeves, like a tank top collar, or like a long sleeve button-up shirt. So it's kind of like that schoolgirl aesthetic, but it's super soft and really warm, so like you don't have to wear as many, like you can just layer up rather than wearing really fat and thick clothing. I also got another one of these knit sweaters, but this one is leopard print because I've seen that leopard is like really in right now. So I got one of these, and they're so comfy. You can wear them at home too, so like, you know, win-win. So get some of these because they're honestly the best. And the last sweater vest that I got was this brown beige one. I feel like it could be like a double-sided, but I'm not gonna do that because you can see like the inside here. If you just like cut that off, it's not that bad, but it still kind of looks weird. But this with like any like black bottoms, white would also match any color on here, and like brown is super in right now, so you know, I got a ton of brown stuff because brown stuff is just really cute. So even though it kind of like blends into me, you know, like I'm just all brown. Like some people are like, why are you just all brown? But this one, it's a little bit pricier because it's like high quality wool or something, I don't know, but it's really cold in London, so I was like, I need to invest in some warmer clothing. The first skirt that I got was this one. It came as a set. It's like a tie skirt, so you tie this like here, and the fit is like immaculate. It makes you like super slim thick, and I don't know, kind of show off your belly area. But I'm not about that life right now because, you know, everybody be gaining quarantine weight, so this is on hold for later. It came as a set with this top. It's so cute. It's like a tie-up top, so it has a button in the front, so you can wear it as like the back always tied, or you can wear it as this is the front, where it has like little pearls, and I think pearls are also really in right now, like little pearls, and then it gives you like a string to tie the other side too. So that's another set that I got. This is the first one. It fits so nicely. It has like a squirt inside like that, and I don't know, it just like snatches your waist. It's like a really cute length, but I don't have to worry about flashing people because it literally has shorts inside. It's like a skirt. But I don't know, like I swear the fashion right now is just to dress more like private school girl. I've seen like raggedy clothing a lot on like Pinterest, so I decided why not try it out. This is the first one that I got. It's like a long sleeve top and it has little strands of like fray coming out, and I've seen so many people wear this, and it's like patchwork stuff. I don't know, I think patchwork is really in right now, so I tried it and it fits so nicely. It literally like it holds you in like a glove, like you be snatched in this. So yeah, the next shirt that I got, it's so soft, but like one thing I'm super worried about is just like sweat stains. I don't know, like sweat stains, you know, it's kind of difficult to wear because it's like confusing. Like you'll see it on, but the purple is like a highlighter purple. I don't know, kind of looks like gym clothing. It's like this, and then you have this flap inside that you bring up like that, and then you tie it on your back. And I've seen these in like hypebeast clothes, so this with like black like fat pants would be really cute. I've seen, you know, like Realization Par, they've been selling a lot of like newspaper clothes. I think it was more like last season, but I was still like super interested in it, so I got this. Kind of feels like swimsuit, but it's not too like warm, and it's not too like you don't get sweat stains from it. It's kind of like shiny material, but you can't really see, like it's like see-through here, but it's warm, but it does make you sweat. So I like that because I hate that like when you're in winter and you wear like a fat coat and then it gets way too hot. So this is perfect. It's like a tight top in the front, so yeah. The next top I got is like a Euphoria inspired top. It's fluffy, it's a purple tie top like this, and it's so cute. My sister just got home, so my sister won't shut up, so we're just gonna pretend she's not talking. But I got this. It's a two-piece shirt. I've seen it. It looks like a dupe of like an Alexander McQueen shirt, and I thought it was really cute, and I didn't want to spend the money on buying an actual Alexander McQueen, so it's like a tank top, halter inside, and then that, but it makes your boobs look really good. So yeah. Next is a sweater. I also got a matching one in a short sleeve version, which I will get to later, but here is the sweater. It's super soft. It looks like one of those Brandy ones or like a Yes style dupe, so this is definitely an invest because it's so comfy. You can wear it as PJs, and like if you wear this with like a collared shirt inside, it'd also be really cute because it like kind of peeks out, and like the gray, it like literally matches with everything. It's kind of like a grayish purple, so it's really cute. I don't know, I really like it. The next long sleeve that I got, these are more like men's clothing because I literally got it from the men's section, but I got this. I don't know, it has like a print and it fits really nicely, but I'm kind of like lazy to put it on, so that's what it looks like. It's an oversized t-shirt, and I just really like the print of it. It has like detailing on the side. It's super soft. It literally looks like anything you get at like a hypebeast store, so I was like, why not just buy something cheap? Because I got like Off-White stuff before, but their stuff isn't even soft, so I like get all my clothes dirty, and I don't really like spending too much money on clothes other than like bags and stuff, because I feel like it's more durable and it like sustains throughout the seasons, where like shirts, they just like go out of season really quick. So the next one I got is this Van Gogh like fake thing. It has a gingerbread man instead of like this, you know, it's like the Scream, so it's like a cookie monster, and then there's the gingerbread, so I thought that was really cute. But it fits the same exact way, and I also got this in an S, so it's a little bit oversized for me, but I really like the oversized fit, so I can wear it like Ariana Grande and just wear like high boots with it. So even though it's winter, I literally could not resist getting like summer clothes. So this is the first one, so when it's like fall, you can still kind of wear like summer clothes. It's not that bad. But this is like a sweater top. Again, I got the leopard cheetah print thing because I just think it's really cute, and like brown matches with so many things. So I was like, why not get this? And it has a little collar as well, so I can wear it inside sweaters, like a black crew neck or something. or like a sweater vest, black or white. Either one would work, but I just think it's so cute and it fits really nicely. It's cropped exactly here and it like hides your like belly. So next short sleeve top that I got that's really similar is this collared white top, so I can wear it inside of sweater vests when it's not too cold because it's like a tight rib top, and you can also match it with jeans, skirts, literally everything. So this is a must-have for fall fashion because it matches with everything. You need like a lot of like staples to make sure that your like closet isn't gonna go like out of season really quickly. So this is one of the staples that you literally need for fall. Another staple top that I got was this one. It's like a black tank top and it just says Cosmic because I thought this with like big pants would be really cute. I don't know, like that. And I just needed something that's a little bit more like modest because all my clothes are like not modest. So, oh my god, my eyes so itchy. The next one that I got that was also a tank. Oh, this wasn't a shirt, but it has these yellow like I don't know what this is called, but it's like an overstitch. Is that what it's called? I don't know. I literally sew, but I don't know the names of these things. But it has neon yellow stitching and it's like asymmetrical cut. So it would look super cute with like black, it would look super cute with like black pants and like combat boots or something. I don't know. And I got like leather pants that I'll show you later that would match so well with these. I also got a tank top in cow print because right now cow print is really in and this is so soft. It kind of feels like swimsuit though, but I still like it. You could wear this with a white like t-shirt inside and then put this over it so it's like layering, so it's super cute. These are a must-have. Another tank top that I got was this one. It also feels like spandex, but it's so cute. It has like little smiley faces in the back. And then the front has random patterns and stuff. I don't know. It has like labeling, packaging. I don't know. But I just thought it was really cute because it would match with like big pants. Big pants girl, you know? We're on to accessories now because we wouldn't be completing fall fashion without accessories. The thing that I see most on Pinterest right now. These shoes have been everywhere, but I already own a pair of Doc Martens, like the boots, and I didn't want to buy like Doc Martens for these because I was like, they weren't that comfy, so I might as well just get these. These ones are way more comfortable than Doc Martens. You literally don't have to wear them in. It's plastic, so it's like waterproof, and the sides don't cut you. They're so squishy and comfy, and they add like so much height to you. These ones are the extra like tall ones, so I look taller when I'm wearing this. The heel itself that you can see is like this much, and there's an added this much padding inside, but it's so squishy. It literally feels like Yeezys. These must have. We forgot about this. One of the biggest things about fall fashion right now is leather jackets. This leather jacket that I got is so cute. I got it off Taobao as well. Actually, I got everything off Taobao. I will link all the stores down below. But here's what it looks like. Kind of oversized, and it has like little, you can pick when you're buying it so that it has like fluff inside or not. This one is the one with fluff. It's so warm. It's literally just as warm as like anything else, and it keeps you like super warm. I don't know, that's all I'm gonna say, but it's really cute. Last item I got are these leather cutout pants. There's these cutouts on the side and they fit me perfectly. I'm 5'2" and it works, man. Like, it's so cute. Oh. That's everything I got for this haul. I'll probably have a haul too because I'm probably gonna go there and get more clothes because I don't have any winter clothes. So I think I got some more jeans that are coming, and they're low-rise jeans, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you watch my other hauls, and they'll be linked right here.